another huge miss on your end in Werner Safety Bootcamp yesterday. What were you doing? Backing up or dancing?
I was backing, Sarge. I thought I was doing it right that time.
Oh, well, if by doing it right you meant turning to the right, then yeah, you nailed it.
Carl, I think you were supposed to keep the trailer behind the truck, not beside it.
But I had to see the trailer in my mirror, right?
Carl, you were about to back right into another trailer. Didn't you hear me hollering? Stop!
What? Why? Did I really mess it up?
You were about to turn that lot into a demolition derby. Didn't you hear me telling you to hit the brakes?
Oh no, did I hit it?
If you had gotten out to look, you would have known for sure.
Carl, what have I always told you about getting out and looking?
To do it.
Bingo! And that's so you don't turn a simple parking job into a disaster zone.
It's like you thought the trailer had eyes in the back.
I just thought that.
No, I just thought nothing. Carl, it's not about thinking. It's about knowing. Knowing where your truck was, knowing where your trailer was, and knowing where it's headed. And that means getting out and looking.
It's a good habit, Carl. Even the most experienced drivers can mess up. Well, not me, but G.O.A.L never fails.
How do I know if I G.O.A.L too much?
You cannot G.O.A.L too much, Carl. You got to get out and you got to make sure that trailer is snug in its place. You got to check the front, the back, the side, the top, the bottom. You got to check it all.
Nice job, Carl, you did it.
Did I do it?
Well, G.O.A.L, get out and look and tell us.
Let's go.